Update on my veggies. Here's my green peppers. So my first learned lesson is only do 2 plants per container. As you can see, I had to transfer these because they were dying, and then this one has 4 in it, and the little ones are like dying, but at least I got 2 big ones, so even if the little ones die, I'm okay with that. That's my onion. The same thing happened with our cucumbers. So I do have a few cucumbers. Check it out, check it out. There's one. And there's 2. Somewhere around here. Right there. My husband is about to start. I put them away. And the same thing happened with my cucumbers. I had 4 in the pot. And I think I need to do 2 in the pot. Because the ones over here look like they're dying. So, me not sure. But, as you all know, this is the first time I've been growing as many as these. And from seed. So, here's my other cucumber. I do have a lot of flowers, and I'm guessing that's a good thing, right? And I'm hoping that it works out. There he is, doing the yard. Sorry for the noise. So here's my sweet potatoes. The plant looks good and healthy. Not sure what's gonna bring us until we open it up. Over here we have the regular potatoes. So for those out there that do grow potatoes, can you tell me if this looks normal for potatoes? I mean, I added more dirt to the container. That's as much as it can go. So I guess we'll see. Here's my beans. I did put like 6 beans in there and only 1 grew. I did put a few more today to see if it grows. I do have one right there, but I'm not sure if that's really a bean. So I'm letting it grow. Here is my baby tomatoes. Check it out, I got tomatoes. For the person who doesn't eat any vegetables, I got tomatoes. Check it out. They look adorable. And then I have more tomatoes here. You know, for a person who doesn't eat greens, I'm very excited that I have a load of tomatoes. So, of course, all these plants look the same. So, I don't know if these are baby tomatoes over here or if they're regular tomatoes. I know this one grew very big, so I think that's a regular tomato. Here's more. Here's more. Here's more. So I've been watching YouTube videos for people who grow stuff in containers, and apparently this is my thing because apparently it worked for me. And I found out that if you trim the ones from the bottom and you trim the ones in between, your plants don't go too crazy, outgrowing everywhere. So that was pretty cool. And they become stronger. So like this one, man, look at that. Come on, ain't you proud of me? You gotta be proud. Check it out, look at that. So that's why they look so slim, because I trimmed it down according to the video that I saw from My Garden. His name is My Garden. I don't know what's his name, but he grows in Michigan. So I thought I can see his videos because I'm in Connecticut. Check it out. Look at that. Yeah. And I figured that if he can grow in Michigan, I can grow in Connecticut. Check it out. Here's more tomatoes. So this is the one I don't know if these are baby tomatoes or if they're regular tomatoes. I think they're baby tomatoes. This is my pumpkin. I do have a few flowers, so hopefully we'll be carving pumpkins. Not sure what this is, but I did put eggplant in here, so I'm not sure if that's the eggplant growing or something else growing. Here's my corn. I got 3 corn stalks, and I don't remember what I put in here, but it's not growing, or it was and then it died. And then this is my scraps, and this is my ugly husband. Hi, honey. Turn around, say hi to YouTube.
YouTube, hi.
But you gotta turn around and say hi to YouTube.
Yeah, right.
So I think I did pretty darn good from my buckets. So I got so excited with the buckets that I know for next year I was gonna need more buckets. So we went to Harbor Freight today and I got 2 more buckets. So I'm thinking about probably replanting some of those peppers to see if they outgrow. And I'm gonna try to do the beans in one of those containers to see if they grow. But I think we did pretty good. So today is July 29, and so far so good. Oh, and another thing before I forget is I thought like the squirrels was gonna be eating the tomatoes or birds, but they haven't been touching it, so that's a good thing.
Trees. They're like park.
And what we did is mothballs. Mothballs keeps away like skunks. I guess they hate the smell, and we threw them everywhere. So I think the mothballs are actually keeping everything else away. See, they're everywhere. I threw them everywhere. So I'm hoping that's actually what happened, because I'll be mad if somebody eats my tomato. I mean, so far those over there are freaking huge and nothing has touched it. So my guess is yes, the mothballs are working. So I'm gonna go inside right now and I'm gonna get me a couple of more mothballs and throw them around. Check it out, the bee is doing this thing with the honey so I can get more tomatoes. Whoop whoop. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the recap of my crazy veggie garden. Oh, and by the way, I went to Home Depot and got these sticks. See the sticks? And I got them in Home Depot for like 79 cents. They were in that aisle where they sell borders and all that stuff for inside the house, for like the room borders. That's where they were. It was cheaper than buying the metal thing, you see. So I do have 2 metal things, but it was cheaper to buy the sticks for the tomato plants. That's it. So it is about 2:30 in the afternoon, so it's too hot right now to water them. I'm gonna come back later and water them. And usually when I water them, I just go straight into the container, and then towards the end, when I'm done watering all of them inside the containers without touching the plant, then I throw a little sprinkle like over all of them, like if it was rain type of deal. Now if it would have rained, this whole week is not gonna rain, so I need to water them. Some of them look like they're still a little bit wet, but later on the sun is still beaming, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna be dry later on. But that was it. Hope you're enjoying my little veggie garden. To the non-veggie eater. God bless. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye guys. God bless.